In this video, we see how sugar, which is used by almost everyone, are made in large quantities. Sugar is an item that we all have in our homes, and we all know that sugar is made from sugar cane. But have you ever wondered how white sugar is made from brown sugar cane juice? Let's see that in today's video. The first step is to collect sugar cane from large sugar cane plantations. If modern machines are used, the leaves and roots of the sugar cane are cut and only the stem is cut into small pieces and sent to other containers. It is transported to the factory in big trucks. It is first put into the washing area. Here sugar cane pieces are washed very well. From here it goes to the extract machine. All the juice is drained from it, lying between the big wheels, and crushed. After extracting the juice, the waste material is sent to another place for other processes. They come as juice and are stored in aluminum tanks. Now it is passed as sulfur dioxide in a 10-meter high tank for bleaching. Meanwhile, in another place, soda powder and water are mixed together. Along with this, bleached sugar water is added and stirred for 6 hours. After this process, the color of the sugar solution will be from brown to yellow. This liquid is passed to the boiler at 86 degrees Celsius, and its sugar content ranges from 15 to 60%. Along with this, an alcohol solution is added to help crystallize the sugar. Now for the final step of making the sugar. For this, the crystal sugar syrup in the form of a paste is put into a centrifugine machine rotating at 1200 RPM. This way only white sugar lumps are collected in the middle of the machine. So the white sugar is ready. It is shipped in bulk bags for wholesale and small packets for retail. Needless to say, how harmful is the whitened sugar with added chemicals to our health? How was the view of making sugar in factory? If you want to see the manufacturing process of something like this, let me know. Of course it can be done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.